to my channel. I know it has been a long 2 weeks I haven't posted a video because I was out of town. I was having my cousin's wedding and I was all messed up over there. So here I am with another video for you guys, and in today's video I have shown you guys then how to do a half cut crease. It is really very simple and it looks super stunning. As you guys can see, it is looking so neutral and natural. So if you guys want to know how I created half cut crease, then please continue watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys will always be notified when my new video comes. And please follow me on Instagram because there I am posting new posts and stories and reels, so it will be more interesting. Just leave the link in the description box below. And yes, without blabbering much, let's get started. So as you guys can see, I have done my base and it is pretty much very nice and decent. So what we are going to do is we are directly going to jump in the eyes, and for the eyes we are going to do our brows, and I'll be taking L'Oreal's Brow Artist Genius Kit and I'll be just filling my brows. So guys, the brow is pretty much done and you guys can see it is looking very nice, natural and properly filled. So now we are going to move with the eyes, and I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes so we get a very nice base for the eyeshadow. So for the concealer, I'll be taking my Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. This is my all-time favorite, and yeah, for that I'm just going to use this. With a flat brush, I'm just going to take the concealer on it and I'll just apply on my eye. I am just going to line the brow line so it looks very nice and defined. Guys, for cut crease, detailing is very important. Like, everything should be precise, so make sure you guys just follow all the steps. And now we are just going to blend with the beauty blender. So guys, now we'll move on with the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette, and this is the palette. It has all the beautiful shades you guys ever need, and these are the shades in the palette and it is absolutely beautiful and stunning. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this very light pastel pink shade and I'm just going to apply it on the crease. Guys, I have took a very medium size blending brush, so you guys can take whatever brush you are having. I am just applying the shade in the crease and I'm just blending it outwards, so you guys just do the same thing. Same way we are going to apply on the another eye. So guys, now taking a clean fluffy brush, I am just going to blend everything in so there won't be any harsh edges. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be taking this brown shade on the outer V of my eye, and I'm just using a very small fluffy brush so we get a precise application on the outer V, as the area is very small for the application of the color. Firstly, just pat the color because we have done the base, so it shouldn't mess up with it, and I am just going to apply in the patting motion. Guys, it's a cut crease, so we are just going to apply the outer color at the outer section of the eye. We are not going to drag it till the inner corner, so we just need to keep in mind and just apply the color in the same manner. And you guys can see that it is looking so beautiful. Just blend the edges very nicely. With the same medium fluffy brush, I am just going to take the pastel pink shade and reapply on the crease. Also, after applying the brown shade, we are just going to apply same way in the inner corner, but we are not going to apply all over the lid. We are just going to apply below the crease. So same way we are going to do on the another eye. Used to blend, so I get that very nice perfection. And yes, my hand was literally paining, but I wanted to get that very nice blending. So yeah, just do the same way if you want a perfect blending. Now is the most tricky part, and the most beautiful part is the half cut crease. Guys, if you also have messed up in the inner corner of the eye, then just don't worry, because it is going to clean by concealer. So yeah, we are just going to cut the crease, but you guys don't need to cut the crease till the whole way. You guys just need to cut the crease till the inner corner and the halfway of your eye. So what we are going to do is I'm going to use the same Maybelline concealer, and I'm just going to take on the back of my hand. So I have took this much amount of the concealer, and now what I'm going to do is with a flat brush, I am just going to take the concealer and I will just cut the crease till the halfway. So this is the half cut crease will look like. You guys just don't need to be super perfect, just conceal it very nicely. I'm just blending the edge of the concealer with my finger only. Isn't it looking super nice? So same way we'll be doing on the another eye. So guys, you guys can see we have applied the concealer and we have cut the crease. So on the part where we have cut the crease, we are just going to take a compact powder and then just lock it with it. So I'm going to use MAC's compact powder, and I'm just going to apply brown eyeshadow on the outer corner just to cut the concealer's edges. Very lightly. Also, once again, I'm just going to we are just going to take the brown eyeshadow which we have applied on the outer corner. So I'm just going to apply on the lower lash line as well. So for the cut crease, to make it more dramatic, yes, I'm just going to apply false eyelashes and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This half cut crease look is really very nice and beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys will always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.